Good morning, YouTube land. How is everyone out there this morning? I would say, how is everybody out there this fine morning, but it is not a fine morning. Other than the sun is breaking through, as you can see, for the first time. It is negative 13 degrees. My voice cracked even. Negative 13 degrees out there today. Horrible. Horrible. I've been on the road for about 20 minutes now. And my van is finally warmed up to the point where I can take my gloves off. That's how bad it is. It's brutal. So anyway, January 2nd, back to work today. Kind of confused. Mixed feelings, I should say. Part of me is glad to get back to a routine. But at the same time, I am sick of this weather. I know it hasn't been that bad for that long, but man, I mean, negative 13 degrees, everything moves slower, everything is harder, you know. You don't want to go dumpster diving, you don't want to go trash picking. I mean, I had the week off and I barely got 7 t-shirts up, so it shows you how unmotivated I am right now with this weather being as it is. My good friend Rick that lives in Mesa, Arizona, sent me a picture of him and his granddaughters were outside, and they went up to 20-inch tires on their bikes, and they were trying to show them how to ride a bike with a bigger tire. And you know, 70, it was 75 degrees, okay, then dropped down from 78. And I'm like, oh my gosh, that's what I want. I don't know how to do it because my wife's got a good job as a teacher, and you know, she's got some type of retirement program with them, but I don't know how we do it, but I just want to be able to get out of here in December, if not November, and just get the heck out of Dodge until spring. I'd love to figure that one out. See that? It's like a straight up and down rainbow or something. It's kind of weird. I've never seen one like that where it just kind of sits right there. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's been a long day. I've been working my tush off. At the end of this day, I will have probably been on the road for 4 hours of a 12-hour day. It's been a long day. But I still got to go home. I've got 3 items to ship for the Etsy store, or sorry, the Etsy toy store, and I've got 2 things to sell on eBay, one of which is a vacuum cleaner part. For the flipping part though, the Little People Main Street is up to $26 with 4 or 5 days to go. So I'd like to see that thing you know, go past the 55 mark, so I know that we've made our investment back. So everything else seems to have watchers or lookers, but no bids yet. So anyway, keep moving on. You'll see at home, and we will review what is sold and what needs to ship. Guys, here's just a quick summary of what's sold in the last couple of days. We'll start with the last vacuum cleaner I took apart. That's the foot pedal. That sold for $6.95 and free shipping. That'll cost a couple bucks to ship, so I made $4 on it. And then this bad boy sold for 10 bucks plus shipping. It's the one I got from my dad's house, if you remember that video. And then on Etsy, on the Etsy toy store, we sold this Star Wars Air Hogs. What is this thing? A land speeder? Yeah, land speeder. So that was brand new in the box. I picked that up this summer at a garage sale for $4. It sold for $24.99 free shipping. These little girl Lego dolls sold for $25 free shipping. These purple Legos from that same girl's lot sold for $25, free shipping. And then this Lego book here sold for $8.99, free shipping. So that's all going to go out tonight. So I got to get the shipping. What is up, everybody out there in YouTube land? I hope you're all doing well. This is Wednesday afternoon. It is about 3 o'clock. I'm done with the physical part of my job for the day, but now I've got to go home and do computer work. But first, I thought we'd head on down to the scrapyard and get rid of this stuff because it's sun shining out and it's like 12 degrees. So I'm going to take full advantage of that and get this stuff pulled out. I'm not prepared to pull it out, which means I haven't cut the cords, I haven't pulled out the aluminum, I haven't sorted it. And I'm just to the point right now with the weather the way it is, I don't care. I have to do a better job as the scrapper to cut my cords before I load the stuff in the van. That's what I have to start doing. So I'm just going to treat this as a learning experience. If I'm unloading it myself and I'm not getting any help at the scrapyard, then I'll take my time, I'll take my snips, and I'll cut the cords and, and keep the aluminum slipper. But if I got somebody helping me unload, I'm just pulling it all out. I'm cleaning out the van, I'm done, and starting over from scratch. So that is the plan. I'm hoping they'll also have a few more calendars because we're going to be doing the drawing today. So maybe we can get another set of calendars, a couple sets of calendars, and do a top 2 or top 3. We'll see. I'm not sure what they're going to do or what they're going to have. But that is the plan. Let's go do that. Let's head on down to the scrap yard. Okay.
I just had to ask that one day. We don't mind.
You remember me, huh?
Yeah. I don't mind.
That's cool.
We just gotta ask. We've had it happen in the past, so.
That's cool. Did you watch the video?
Yeah.
Did you?
Yeah, I have. Yeah.
I gave you a shout out.
I know. I saw you had the poster, the calendars.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. No. Yeah. So you're good.
So we're good. Okay. Well, that's good.
Rock, man.
All right. Thanks, man.
Yeah, no problem. Let's go.
Yep. Okay, so we had 220 pounds of sheet iron for $12.65. Not bad. Very happy with that. Just for no more effort than I put into it over the last couple weeks here. I did not turn any aluminum or copper in, and I did get the cords off of those today. So not bad, not bad. Plus, I got a few extra calendars. Okay, so I'm still like right here by this one. Look up there. See, there's another car crashed up there. That is crazy. Okay, everyone, we had 10 people that submitted their comments for the kitty calendar, and they are Terry Streeter, Michelle Price, Catherine M. Walker, Miss Twiggy, Miss Matrix, Flying Lark 1, Robin Von Bowman, Nancy Gomez, Police Chaplain Misty, and Kathleen Lesage. So we're going to randomize this 4 times, and as you probably noticed already from the picture, we have 4 calendars, 4 kitty calendars to give away. I went down there today, and they were really kind enough to give me some extra calendars for this giveaway. So here we go. We're going to do this 3 times, and the top 4 people will get a calendar. 1, 2, and 3. All right, the winners are Flying Lark 1, Nancy Gomez, Kathy the Sage, and Robin Von Bowman. Okay, so if you can just, I will comment on your comment and give you an email address to send me your address, and we'll get these out to you right away. Thanks for playing. Okay, guys, we got 10 of you that entered for these calendars, and like I said before, we got Dell's Metal Company gave us some extra calendars for this giveaway. So we have Rich Richter, Scrap Addict Tony, Mark Hedrick, Canadian Currency Hunter, Brian Raffin, Jackpot Digger, Javier Garcia, Joey Stewart, and Jerry Vega 77, and EMT Flipper. So we're going to hit this 3 times, and whoever the top 4 guys are, you will be getting calendars. So here we go. 1, 2, and 3. And we got Jerry. Hey, Jerry, you're number 1. Woohoo! Mark, Brian, and Javier Garcia. Okay, guys, I will leave you comments on your comments, and if you can turn around and get me your addresses via my email, which is in my About Me section, we will get those mailed out to you right away. Congratulations, guys. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the video. It's been kind of crazy last couple days getting back in the groove with work and everything else, but congratulations to the winner of the calendars. I will get those out just as soon as I get your emails and your addresses. So take care, everybody. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being a part of this. Please give it a thumbs up, share, like, you know the whole routine. So anyway, thanks again for being a part of this. We'll see you guys at the next dumpster. Take care. Bye-bye.